Today I am going to discuss conducting polymer. So what are the conducting polymers? Conducting polymers are those which can conduct electricity. The conducting polymers are have many applications. These are used as a telecommunication, as a chemical sensors, in biosensors, in paint industry, in carpet industry also, and in the formation of optical fibers. So conducting polymer, natural rubber, whatever the we obtain the natural rubber which are having very low conductivity. It is having only 40% conductivity. So how it can be increased? It can be increased by blended with the ethine black or carbon black. After the blending of these conducting element with the natural rubber, we will get the conducting polymer. The obtained conducting polymers are having very good conductivity. So if we have to increase the conductivity of simple polymer or conventional polymer, so we can also doping of these polymers. If we are doping a natural rubber with the N doping or P doping by oxidation or reduction, the conductivity will also increase. So conducting polymers are those which can conduct electricity. The classification of conducting polymers, as you can see, these are divided into two parts: intrinsically conducting polymer and extrinsically conducting polymer. What are the intrinsically conducting polymer? Always remember, it means if the compounds are having double bonds, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond in their alternate position. If the compound having double bond, so it is the intrinsically, it means within the compound. If the compound is having double bond, so intrinsically conducting polymer will occur. And these are two types in which the conducting polymer having conjugation, and the second one is the dope conducting polymer. The second one is extrinsic conducting polymer. What is the extrinsic conducting polymer? It means some ingredients or some material is taken from outside to increase the conductivity of a simple polymer. What do you mean simple polymer? Simple polymer means which is having very low conductivity. So you can increase the conductivity of simple polymer by impregnated with conducting elements like carbon black, metal oxides and metallic fibers, which are naturally we are getting. Okay, so what is intrinsically? If conjugation having in backbone, conjugation having in backbone of carbon chain. So what is the conjugation? Conjugation means if there is a single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond in their alternate position. The first one is the conducting polymer having conjugation. The conducting polymer having conjugation, it means if a compound I am taking which is pyrrole, the ring के अंदर है, this is the pyrrole. If we are taking n number of pyrrole, if we are just because of the presence of double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, what will happen? See, this bond will move here and this bond will move here. So what will happen? At this side we are getting plus charge and this side we are getting minus charge. So we will get N H double bond यहाँ, and this is also from this chain is going on, from this side also chain is going on. So now here it is pyrrole and here it is polypyrrole. There are many examples. So this is the pyrrole. If it polymerized, so it will become a polypyrrole. There are many examples are there. Just in your syllabus, polypyrrole, polythiophene, see these are the some examples. This is the polyphenylene, this is the polythiophene and this is the polypyrrole. pyrrole, right? So those compounds which are having single bond, double bond in their alternate position, इनकी अगर backbone में ही double bond है, तो they are naturally they are conducting, they are becoming a conducting polymer. So these are the conducting. This is the classification of intrinsically conducting polymer. So now next one is doped conducting polymer. So what is a doped conducting polymer? This one is the doped conducting polymer. These are two types. The first one is N-doped polyacetylene and other one is P-doped polyacetylene. Always remember, in case of P-doping or N-doping, in case of conducting polymer, this is not a type of physics doping. It means N-doping means reduction will take place, and in case of P-doping, oxidation will take place. Right? So in case of N-doping, see I am writing here, N-doped means I am taking the example of acetylene. This is the acetylene. So if it is polymerized, so it will get, if I can also write this very simply in this form, and it is reacted with some other reactant. If the reduction, N-doping means reduction will take place. See, reduction. So reduction means what will be happen? Gain of electron. So gain of electron, it means CH will get negative charge and other one is having positive charge. It means if there is some charge on the chain of the acetylene, it means it is a polyacetylene P. It means it is N-doping. So doping will occur, N-doped polyacetylene. But in case of P-doping, P-dope means we are taking again the chain of acetylene reacted with A, oxidation will take place. Oxidation का मतलब loss of electron will take place. So it will get some positive charge because loss of electron will take place and other reactant having minus charge. So now it is P-doping या P-doped polyacetylene. Understand? See, it means P-dope positive, N-dope negative charge. Always remember, you can also write in case of N-doping, we are taking alkali, we also can take alkali as a reagent, or in case of P-doping, we also can take Br2 in CCl4. So this is the doping. Doping, it means the conductivity of polymer can be increased by a factor of 10 की power 12 when these are doped with the alkali, or it can be doped with the Br2 in CCl4. So we will get two types of doping, N-dope, P-dope. N-dope means reduction will take place, P-dope means oxidation will take place. In case of oxidation, loss of electron, if there is a loss, so you will get the, if there is a loss, you will get the positive charge. It is the N-dope, it means the gain of electron, so you will get the negative charge. So this is a doped conducting polymer. The next one is extrinsic conducting polymer, in which the first one is the conducting element filled polymer. It is very easy conducting element filled polymer. Suppose we are having some simple polymer like this. We are having simple polymer. But in case of simple polymer, what we have to do? We are taking some conducting element. We are taking some conducting element like metal oxide, maybe it may be carbon black, it may be metallic fiber, and what you have to do, you have to grind it. Once you have to grind it, and after grinding you have to mix it in like this. You have to fill this simple polymer with the conducting element which are naturally we are having. So after filling, after impregnated with the conducting element to this polymer, this simple polymer, it becomes a conducting element filled polymer, and it becomes very good conductivity, right? Before that it is having very less conductivity, but when you are filled with this conducting element, it becomes a very good natural conductivity. So this is the conducting element filled polymer. The next one is blended conducting polymer. What is a blended conducting polymer? If we are taking a simple polymer like SP, it means simple polymer when it is reacted with the conducting polymer, because these are very good processing. Very easily you will get them. It's not very expensive. It is not, both these extrinsically conducting polymers are not very expensive, right? So this is a simple polymer. When these are reacted with the conducting polymer, you will get the BCP. What is the meaning of BCP? Blended conducting polymer. Now the blended conducting polymer is having very good mechanical, electrical strength, very good optical strength. So these are the blended conducting polymer. Again, conducting polymers, these are two types: intrinsically, extrinsically. Intrinsically it means रिंग के अंदर, एक्सट्रिंसिकली इट मींस नेचुरली बाहर से हम लोग मटेरियल को ऐड करेंगे. So conducting polymer having conjugation, many examples I am given to you. Dope conducting polymers, these are two types: N-dope, P-dope. In case of N-dope, reduction will take place. In case of P-dope, oxidation will take place, right? Next one is the extrinsically. These are two types: conducting element filled polymer and blended conducting polymer. Now, the applications are very important of this topic, because applications are always asked ki whenever you are uh, taking some topic to read, so you have to know what are the various applications, what are the applications of these material. So this is the, in case of the first application, it is very much used in paint industry, in carpet industry, in telecommunication, in transistors, in computer chips, chemical sensors, biosensors, in optical devices. So these are many applications of these conducting polymer. So this is a topic, very important topic. Conducting polymers are those which can conduct electricity. Okay, thank you very much.